Hi, this is Paul from paulbradby.com, and I just wanted to give you a quick video tour of the trading indicator add-ons that are included in the NinjaTrader8 add-on club for your first quarter. The first is a automatic harmonic pattern recognition software. It's quite advanced. We look for bats, crabs, Gartley patterns, butterflies, even complex ones, as you can see here. This is ES futures on the 5 minute. We can see here we've got quite some complex A, B, C, D type bat pattern first. More importantly, we've got our projected ending zone, if you like, to complete that that pattern. So what you would look for if it's in red here, when this crab pattern completes in the completion zone, we look to go short. As you can see there, we had a great short on that A leg. Again, when this, so that's the bat pattern, when this crab pattern finally finishes and completes in the completion zone, we look to go short here. So that's the first one, and we'll look at some more examples. But now I'm just going to pause the video and add another indicator that's included in your first quarter's membership. Okay, so the next indicator in the first quarter's membership for the add-on club is the EMA cloud. This is totally adjustable. Right now it's set at 34 EMA. It gives you the high and low and puts the cloud on the chart. Now, this is useful not just in this type of instance where we'd look for a conservative entry to go short after this bat pattern completes into this zone. We could go short below the 34 EMA cloud here to go down. The same here on the completion of the crab pattern, we'd look to go short below that. And you will also see it's quite sticky when it comes back down. So this movement, first movement down the bat on the A wave, we came back to test the B wave, it came back down and then pushed through. So these are totally adjustable. You can change the colours, you can add more than one, and the idea is, depending on the time frame you're using, you are going to be able to put those high and lows on that EMA cloud to help you with entries and trade management with whatever strategy you're using. And the bonus add-on series is our market opens and opening ranges. Now, these are very, very good in combination with other strategies. Particular, for example, if you're trading the short after this bat pattern completes up here. This is the London Open. The Europe, that is for the gold, and we'll talk about that in a little while. This is the first 5 minute range of the London Open. Obviously, we've completed the crab, we're looking to go short. We say to ourselves, we're not going to go short before we get through this cloud, but we've got the London Open. Let that range form and let that be our entry, breaking down out of the London range open. You see how it comes down and finds support at the previous day's range from the New York Open. And then if we go right, we can see the New York Open up here on the right where the crab pattern completes. Again, when we're looking to short this, we want to make sure we're out of that range. If we want to go aggressive, if we want to go more conservative, we go outside of the below the 34 EMA. Again, we've just put 34 EMA on here. If you want to use 27, 21, that sort of thing, it's totally adjustable. And then obviously you're going to go into that London range as well, and so you've got to be careful. You see how it comes down and then comes back up to test the cloud and then goes down again. So again, that cloud can be useful to manage those trades as well. So we have the automated harmonic pattern indicator, we have the EMA cloud, which is totally adjustable, and the openings for the markets. That's the stock markets for New York and London, and then we have the openings for gold. Okay, so another strategy we have with trading gold are the European opens and the New York gold pit opens. So one example here is the New York gold pit open down here. This is the first 5 minute range. We want to go long when it breaks that range. It's a great strategy, very, very simple. But let's use the 34 EMA just to give us a little bit more comfort in there. Again, these are totally adjustable. We've got the New York gold pit open there. Europe in my time is 8 o'clock, so if I just go to the indicators here, I go to 08, change it, and I click apply, and we can see then the Europe opening range is in here, slightly lighter yellow. We can see when we get that New York gold pit open range, we go long, go conservative above the EMA cloud. You can see how the Europe open for gold found resistance initially. We came back down to test support on the EMA cloud, and then we pushed through. So if we took profit when it couldn't push through the London Open, found a high support level on the cloud, when it went back through that this earlier London Open range, we had the long there. So lots of opportunities with these great add-ons. Again, it's not just for futures or commodities. We look at US dollar, Japanese yen for forex on the 10-minute here. We've got a crab pattern complete in the zone. We look for a short. We can go conservative in this first green line at the high here, or again we can go aggressive. We can go conservative below the EMA cloud here for that short that goes all the way down. US dollar CAD, again this time we've got a bat pattern. It's in green, which means when it completes, and it completes in the zone, the automated zone, we're looking for the long. Again, options here. This is the 30-minute US dollar CAD. We've got options to look for an aggressive entry, especially when we get that rejection doji there, that hammer here, to look to go aggressive when that pattern completes, or we use our EMA cloud to look for a more conservative entry here around about 13170, and as you can see it's just kept going since there. So very, very useful tools, and look out for a video on the 2 indicator suites that will be added in Q2, and then every quarter of the membership you'll still remain access to these, and we'll add 2 more cool trading indicator add-ons for NinjaTrader 8.